Good day everyone. So we're going to discuss the color theory. So what is color theory? Color theory is a practical combination of art and science that's used to determine what colors look good together. The color wheel was invented in 1666 by Isaac Newton, who mapped the color spectrum into a circle. The color wheel is the basis of color theory because it shows the relationship between colors. Colors that look good together are called color harmony. Artists and designers use this to create a particular look or feel. You can use a color wheel to find color harmonies by using the rules of color combinations. Color combinations determine the relative position of different colors in order to find colors that create a pleasing effect. Color wheel. It is an abstract illustrative organization of color use around a circle which shows the relationship between primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, and etc. First is the primary colors. So it is the sources of all colors. Even though there are thousands and thousands of colors in the world, they are all made up of these colors. So red, blue, and yellow. Second is the secondary colors. These are produced when mixing two equal amount of primary colors. If you mix equal amount of yellow and blue, you will have green. Equal parts of red and blue will have violet. And red and yellow, you will have orange. Look at the color wheel. So you will find these colors, which is the secondary colors. The third is the intermediate colors. They are produced by mixing two equal amount of primary and secondary colors. For example, if you mix equal parts of yellow, the primary color, and green, the secondary color, you will have yellow-green. Notice that yellow-green is found between yellow and green on the color wheel. The intermediate colors are yellow plus green equals yellow-green. Blue plus green equals blue-green. Blue plus violet equals blue-violet. And red plus violet equals red-violet. Red plus orange equals red-orange. Yellow plus orange equals yellow-orange. Pure color are the primary, secondary, and intermediate colors because they have no white, black, and gray in them. Pure colors are also called normal, true, and basic colors. Second is tints. When pure colors are mixed with white, they are made lighter. Example, when white is added to red, you have pink. In other words, pink is a tint of red. The more white you add, the lighter the pink will be. Tints are also called pastels. Number 3, shades. When pure colors are mixed with black, they are made darker. Example, when black is added to red, you have maroon, a shade of red. The more black you add, the darker you have. Fourth, grade colors. Most colors we use in clothes are grade colors rather than bright. Pure colors you see on the color wheel. Grade colors are also referred to as soft colors or dull colors. The more gray you add, the more duller will be. And fifth, neutrals are white, black, and gray. They look well with another and with all other colors. The more grade colors become, the more different colors it will harmonize with. Let us proceed to the warm and cool colors. Cool colors are green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, and violet. Blue is the coolest color. They are adjacent to one another in color wheel. Warm colors are red, red-orange, orange, yellow-orange, and orange. Red is the warmest color. They are also adjacent in the color wheel. Qualities of colors. First is hue. It is the family group name of a color. It is the name of a color. Once they are combined differently and given new names. Next is value. Refers to the lightness or the tint or the darkness of the shade. And last is the intensity. Means the brightness or dullness of a color. We have the given example picture below. So it shows the hue, the saturation, and the luminance. Let us proceed to the color schemes. The beauty of any color scheme depends upon how well the colors harmonize. To harmonize, colors must appear to belong together. Number 1, one color harmony, or what we call the monochromatic color. The easiest color scheme to follow is one that uses the same color in different values and intensity. Example, dark blue suit very dark blue accessories and a light blue blouse. So here is the example picture of a pattern that composed of dark blue and then light blue, going to light blue. And then we have another color, the orange, the light orange going to dark orange. And all the colors belongs to the color wheel. So they are called the one color harmony, or what we call the monochromatic color. Second is the adjacent color harmony, or the analogous color harmony. Since they are near each other on the color wheel, neighbor color harmony. Example, yellow, orange, orange, and yellow-green are next to each other on the color wheel. Therefore, a pleasing adjacent color harmony may be made from them. So another example, in adjacent color harmony, we have blue, green, and yellow-green. The third is the complementary color harmony. These are colors that are opposite in the color wheel. Using these colors may be very pleasing. So letter A, we have the complementary colors. Directly opposite in the color wheel. Example, red and green, blue and orange, yellow and violet. In this given picture, we have here red and green. Letter B, split complementary colors. A variation of the complementary color scheme. In addition to the base color, it uses the two colors adjacent to its complement. So we have here an example of violet, orange, and green. So paano natin kinuha yung sa split? So first, you will going to determine what is the complementary color of green. So the complementary color of green is red. And then, when we say split complementary, what is the adjacent color of red? So we have orange and violet. So kung ano yung katabi no complementary color mo. So let us have another example. Let us have color blue. So the adjacent color of blue is orange. So you're going to look for the split complementary color. So the adjacent color of orange is light orange and red. The last is the triad. The last is letter C, triad. A triadic color scheme uses colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. Triadic color harmonies tend to be quite vibrant, even if you use pale or unsaturated versions of your hue. So in this given picture, we have the blue-violet, and then the triadic color of blue-violets are yellow, orange, and green. Another example, blue. To get the triadic color of blue, we have yellow, orange, and then red, violet. To get the triadic color, we're going to divide the colors into 3 spaces equally.